Hello. Today, I want to tell you about a simple day at the market. It was a Sunday morning. I woke up at 7 a.m. The weather was nice and cool. I felt relaxed because I did not have to work. I decided to go to the market. I like the market because it is busy and interesting. There are many people, many sounds, and many colors. Before I left home, I made a small list. I wanted to buy vegetables, fruit, and some meat. I also wanted to buy something sweet. I took my bag and walked to the market. It is not far from my house. It takes about 10 minutes to walk there. When I arrived, I saw many people. Some people were buying food. Some people were selling things. Everyone looked busy. I heard many sounds. People were talking, laughing, and calling customers. It was noisy, but I liked it. First, I went to a vegetable shop. I saw many fresh vegetables. There were tomatoes, carrots, cabbage, and cucumbers. The colors were very beautiful. Red tomatoes, green cucumbers, orange carrots. I picked some tomatoes and carrots. The seller smiled at me. She asked, "How many do you want?" I said, "I want 2 kilos of tomatoes and 1 kilo of carrots." She gave me the vegetables and put them in a bag. I paid her and said thank you. Next, I went to a fruit shop. I love fruit because it is sweet and healthy. I saw bananas, apples, oranges, and mangoes. Everything looked fresh and delicious. I picked some bananas and apples. I also bought 1 big mango. The seller was very friendly. He asked me, "Do you like sweet mango?" I smiled and said, "Yes, I do." He chose a good mango for me. I felt happy because he was kind. After that, I went to buy meat. This part is always a little difficult for me. There are many kinds of meat: beef, pork, chicken. I do not always know what to choose. Today I decided to buy chicken. It is easy to cook. I asked the seller, "Can I have half a kilo of chicken?" He cut the chicken and gave it to me. I paid and said thank you. Now, I had almost everything on my list, but I still wanted something sweet. So I walked around the market. I saw a small shop selling cakes and snacks. The cakes looked very nice. They were small and colorful. I chose 2 small cakes. One was chocolate and one was strawberry. I felt excited to eat them later. After shopping, I felt a little tired. So I sat down at a small food stall. I ordered a bowl of noodles. The noodles were hot and smelled very good. I ate slowly and enjoyed my meal. Around me, people were eating and talking. It felt warm and lively. After I finished eating, I drank a glass of iced tea. It was fresh and cool. I sat there for a few minutes and relaxed. Then I stood up and walked back home. The sun was higher now. The street was busier. I held my bag and walked slowly. When I got home, I put all the food in the kitchen. I washed the vegetables and fruit. Then I took a short rest. I lay on the bed and closed my eyes. After about 30 minutes, I got up and started cooking. I cooked rice and chicken. I also cooked vegetables. The food smelled very good. Cooking is not easy, but I enjoy it. When the food was ready, I sat down and ate. The meal was simple but delicious. I felt proud because I cooked it myself. After lunch, I ate the cake. The chocolate cake was sweet and soft. The strawberry cake was fresh and tasty. I really enjoyed them. In the afternoon, I felt relaxed. I did not need to go anywhere. I watched a short movie and listened to music. Later, I thought about my morning at the market. I realized that simple things can make me happy. Going to the market is not a big thing, but it gives me many small happy moments. I can see people. I can talk to sellers. I can choose fresh food. It makes me feel connected to life. In the evening, I called my friend. I told her about my day. She said, "That sounds like a nice day." I smiled and said, "Yes, it is." Before I went to bed, I thought again about my day. It was simple, but it was good. I learned that happiness is not always big. Sometimes it is small and quiet. A walk to the market, a smile from a seller, a good meal at home. These things are enough. Now I feel thankful for my life. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.